Okay, so I'm going to be replacing the outdoor light. I've already replaced one of them. This is the new modern style light that I'm going to use. And basically, I'm going to be replacing the ones, I have four of them. One is on the porch inside over here. The other three are on the outside of the home. So I'm going to be replacing them. This is one of them I'm going to replace today, and the reason I'm going to replace them is they're actually working fine, but the reason I want to replace them is I want a more modern look, and the other reason is that these particular lights, they're like these torch style lights. What happens is they throw light to the outside but not down here, and then as a result my street number of the home is not noticeable from the street in the dark. So if someone wants to come visit me, they can't see my street number on the house because it generates this cone of darkness. So anyway, I'm going to be replacing this one to start with today, and then basically I'll replace the other three on some other day, and so that it gives a more modern look with these modern looking lights, and also so that the street number is noticeable from the street in the dark, so that the light, modern looking light, it throws light to the bottom rather than generating this cone of darkness. And so basically I'm going to be removing this light, and later I'll replace it with that light over there. I also tested this video logging camera and it seems to be working fine for now. I have wrist control on starting and stopping recording. So for now I'm just going to make a first video on how to remove this light fixture, and then I'll make another video on how to add this new light fixture. So for removing it, I have a basic, actually I've done it before, so it's very easy. Maybe your light fixture might also be so pretty easy, but essentially what I have to do is these are the tools I'm going to use for now, and the rest is all, you know, hand. I can use my hand, don't need any special tools. So basically I have a flathead screwdriver, Phillips head screwdriver, and then I have this kind of hacksaw thing with a blade. It's sort of just used to remove the silicone that surrounds the light fixture, because I'm going to be actually removing that, and then when I add the new light I'll be adding fresh silicone to seal the water. And one thing to notice in this light is it's flush, it's against a flush wall, so you know it's basically uniformly sitting on the wall, except for these, you know, grout grooves, but other than that the brick itself is uniform. But I have another light on the side of the home where I'll show you what I mean. It's not exactly uniform, so I have to think of a solution on how, when I install this particular light, what happens is the brick is offset. If you look at it from an angle, basically this entire light fits, this particular light fixture fits on a flush part of the brick, but the new light fixture I have is longer, so it's gonna sit sort of between these two, you know, brick positions. So there's gonna be a gap, so I have to figure out a solution on how I'm gonna fill that gap. I might need some kind of like a casing around it, you know, a mold. It's a significant gap. It's something like you know, 3/4 of an inch, but anyway, I'll cross that bridge when I get there. This is the only light fixture that is mounted on this sort of brick that's offset like this. The other two, they are mounted